Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto, bringing you crypto love over the interwebs. And I just want to say good morning to everybody in America, good afternoon, good evening to everybody else around the world, wherever you are. And remember, this video is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this video is for education and entertainment purposes. We got lots to talk about, guys. There was $290 million worth of Shiba Inu just bought, and there's speculation out there. People are talking about it. Could this be Robinhood? Could this be Robinhood stacking up on the SHIB in preparation for the acceptance of Shiba Inu on their platform, guys? So we're going to talk about that, and we're going to jump into it, guys. Also, we're seeing another huge exchange in Europe just listed Shiba Inu and other coins. So this is really huge news. We got a lot of great catalysts for Shiba Inu. We're seeing right now that the markets are basically down, down. We're seeing Ethereum down, Bitcoin down, and Plan B just recently tweeted, and we're going to talk about what Plan B is saying, and he's giving some opioid out there to all of us that this is not the top, and that Bitcoin is not going to close out the year at like 49, 50,000. So we're going to jump into Plan B tweet and see what he's got to say, guys. So let's jump into the content, and remember, if you're watching for the first time, go down there, subscribe, YB, and if you've been here around a long time, don't forget to smash the likes, guys. What are you waiting for? And don't forget to comment, guys. And guys, let's get into it. Woo! I'm so excited. I'm on fire. Do go back and watch some of my other videos. Bull Run Top Confirmed, guys. It's a huge video. Guys and gals, go jump back in to get it. And before we jump into the Shiba Inu Robinhood news, let's talk about what Plan B just came out and said. And I think this is really cool news in the house, guys. So Plan B has just recently tweeted, like about 45 minutes ago. And he said, I don't think 69K was the top for this halving cycle. If 69K was a top, then the physical bear market minus 80% drawdown would bring the bottom of Bitcoin to 14K. So if that happens, it means that it's below the all-time high of 20K in 2017, and that's not possible because we see that from every halving cycle, we see that Bitcoin goes up and continues to go up, and it really doesn't retrench back below its previous all-time highs. So this is kind of a misnomer in the house. So I think he's pretty correct, and he also says that this would also mean that Bitcoin would be going below the 200 weekly moving average, and that would bring it down to 18K. So he's saying that would never happen, in my opinion. So I tend to agree with him. I still think that the top of Bitcoin, we still have time, guys. We still have more than 2 weeks left, and I think that we're going to hit our all-time highs sometime end of December for me still feels like a pretty safe bet, and or the first week in January. But typically at the end of December is when Bitcoin will turn very bearish and start to drop, and then that's when the altcoins will start to take off. So, I'm looking at getting out a lot of my positions around December 31st or December 30th. That's when I'm going to be starting to, take my position, start moving them to USDC or US Tether. So that's what I'm going to be doing, but I'm still waiting to see what kind of on-chain data and what kind of information we're getting from all the different TAs, because we could see the top coming later. But, right now, my plan, as like every year, I plan to, basically get out of my positions at the end of December. That's just what I'm doing. That's not financial advice, guys. We're also seeing that from Alan Wu. He's saying on-chain data is saying that the SOPR 14 RSI is a great Bitcoin trend reversal indicator, which reaches 30% or lower and reverses course. So we're seeing right now that this trend right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin is right now below 30, which is often an indicator of a reversal trend coming in. So if this is the case, we could be seeing that still $100,000 could be coming in for Bitcoin. But there's a lot of camps out there. Some are saying at the end of the year, like I said, it's time to get out of there. It's time to get out of there. But other people are saying it's extended. But I'm going to be doing what I always do. You may want to consider doing that, but I always tend to liquidate my positions around the end of December. That's what I'm doing, unless we get concrete proof that this bull run is going to continue going up and up. So some other information, regarding that, there's a lot more Bitcoin being withdrawn from the deposit than deposited on exchanges, and we've talked about the exchange, the exchange volumes right now, and they're at all-time lows again. And we're seeing this not from just 2 or 3 different TA analysts, but we're seeing a lot of on-chain data that's showing that the net transfer volume from and to exchanges is at an all-time low, guys. So this is just more and more facts supporting the fact that there's a huge supply shock. But the thing is, when are we going to see the top? Where's the top? We don't know. Everybody's still looking and waiting for when we're going to see the top. This is from Matthew Hyland. He's saying that we could be seeing a bump and run reversal bottom for Bitcoin that I discussed the other day, requiring a fry pan type bottom to form, which I also mentioned. So he's saying that we're going to see a very bearish pattern play out. This called a bump and run scenario. So we lead in phase, bump phase, then this goes really down, and then we have the run phase. So he's saying that we could still bearish price action over the next coming days would be expected if this were to happen. So he's saying that if we're going to see the bump phase, the bump phase, we could see that we're still going down. So he's still saying that we're in the bump phase, and that's why we're seeing that Bitcoin is moving below the 200-day, 200-day moving average, exponential moving average on the daily. So he's saying that we could see a huge run to the top side soon, and if this does happen, this could fall in line with the end of the year, end of December 31st as being the top for Bitcoin, and then that's when the bearish trend will come in. So let's see how this plays out, guys. I don't know. I just think that we need to keep watching and keep looking to see when Bitcoin's going to hit its top, guys. So the Bitcoin price is dipping, but the value of the illiquid supply keeps on going up. As recent sell pressure is mostly coming from short-term holders. So once again, we're seeing short-term holders are selling, but long-term holders are not. So that's why we're seeing that Bitcoin is at a huge bargain right now. Absolutely huge bargain. So let's jump into the Shiba Inu news without further delay. So we got 2 pieces of Shiba Inu news. First of all, we're going to see that Shiba Inu starts to trade on Bitstamp, guys. So this is really cool. Shiba Inu is starting trading on Bitstamp, and yesterday Bitstamp, the largest European exchange by trading volume, added Shiba Inu to its list of supported coins, while deposit and withdrawals have been open since the announcement. Shiba Inu started trading. So this is a huge catalyst for Shiba Inu, but nobody's really talking about it because of the fact that the markets are down, and so people are just kind of overlooking this. They're also adding Gala, ADA, DYDX, and PRP is also going to be listed as well. So some other news is that Shiba Inu Games joins forces with Australia's biggest video game developer. So as reported on Wednesday, Shiba Inu Games teamed up with Australia's largest video game developer, Playside Studios. So this is very bullish because Shiba Inu definitely wants to jump into the NFT gaming space, the pay-to-play space. So over the next 8 months, they will be working on the development of a new game based on the Shiboshi NFT collection. Playside CEO Jerry said that commented this is an ideal opportunity for his company to explore crypto and NFTs and collaborate in this field. And they're expecting a rollout of the game in early 2023. So we still have a long way to go before it gets rolled out. Some other news that's coming right now, and this is a huge news. Giant Shiba Inu whale buys 8 trillion SHIB coins worth 290 million. Robinhood, is this you? Ask the user. So a lot of people are really speculating that this could be Robinhood in the house, guys. So, is Robinhood buying big bags of Shiba Inu, a mysterious and undetermined, unidentified Shiba Inu whale, while it purchased a whopping 8.1 trillion Shiba Inu coins worth a staggering 2.9 million. The mammoth amount of purchase hint that an individual investor would not be able to place her hands on such a large volumes. So that's why people are thinking that's either an institution or some other exchange platform other than Robinhood, but a lot of people are thinking that it's definitely going to be Robinhood. So Whale Stats was the first to reveal the humongous SHIB transaction and tweeted, "Woof woof!" And the new SHIB whale was born, and like I said, they're holding $290 million worth of Shiba Inu. So guys, comment: is this Robinhood in the house? Is Robinhood in the house the one that just bought up this $290 million worth of Shiba Inu? So guys, smash the likes, comment. I want to hear what you have to say. Is this Bitstamp? Is it Robinhood? Who is it? Who is it like, or is it just some institution? So let's take a look at Bitcoin in the house right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is trading at $49,119 in the house, guys. But we're still danger below the 21-day moving average, and this is bad, guys. This is hugely bad. So I really hope that we're going to get this whole, this bump and run phase. So hopefully, what we're seeing now is this huge bump down to the downside, and this is actually confirming that we're seeing this huge bump played out here, and then we should start to see a whole run up to the upside. So hopefully we could get ourselves up to $70,000 in the house. But for Bitcoin to do that, we need to blow past the 52,000. We need to blow past the 58,000 and get ourselves up there. And you can see right now that Bitcoin is still below the 200-day exponential moving average, and this is bad, guys. This is also bad. So one of the things that's taken the whole markets down is this whole Evergrande thing. So hopefully this whole Evergrande thing will wash out in the next 48 hours, and let's hope that we don't get any more kind of negative news, some negative FUD that's just going to spoil the whole markets for everybody, because it's just getting really tiring and really boring out there. And I know that a lot of people are getting worried. Is this the end? Have we seen the top? Is everything just going to go down, down? Well, I still believe that the whales are still buying. We can see that. There's proof and evidence that's why we're seeing the amount of Bitcoin in exchanges is still hugely low, and we haven't seen a lot of whales or other institutions moving their Bitcoin onto exchanges preparing to sell. So that's what gives me confidence that we're still not here yet. But believe me, when the top comes, you're going to see the billionaires and the institutions sell like crazy, and that's going to push the price of Bitcoin super duper down, and that's going to take all the old coins down with it. But the thing is, when is that going to happen? Well, for me, I'm still planning at the end of December. I'm going to be doing a drawdown of where my cryptocurrency is. I'm going to be offloading about 50% of that and moving it into stable coins, and I'll keep the other 50% on and just see what's going on. So that is what I'm going to do. This is not financial advice. This is OG in the house. And guys, smash the likes, subscribe, YB, and don't forget the super chat, support the channel. Once again, we're seeing that the brave new coin liquid exchange for a Bitcoin, we're still seeing that it's at 47,595 right here. So let's just call out the price here, and then we're seeing it's at 48,115. So we're seeing different prices on different exchanges. Remember, the different exchanges have a different amount of markup in terms of how they price their Bitcoin. So that's why you're seeing the differences in the exchange. So don't worry about that. Don't beat me up in the comments. We're also seeing that, Dogecoin right now is trading at 17.18 right now. So that's pretty good. It's come up from, it was below 17 cents just moments ago. So it's coming up again. So that is bullish in the house. And we're seeing that Ethereum right now as well. Let me just move over my messy chart. Right now is at 4,115 in the house right now. So that is looking pretty good. And I think, we have some resistance at 4,200. So I think we can get ourselves back up to 4,200 pretty soon, guys. So hopefully, everything is just going sideways right now. That's all I got to say about that. Things are going sideways. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu right now has come up a touch. It's at 35 in the house. We've got this 33 cent and a 43 up here. So right now, in terms of the top side resistance of 43 and the bottom side support of 33, Shiba Inu is looking a little bit bearish, like I said in a previous video. I feel really comfortable if we're trading at least in the midway of these two ranges. So let's hope that Bitcoin doesn't drop anymore, because if it does, it could take Shiba Inu below the 33 level and invalidate the support level, and we don't want that, because if that happens, that's going to be very bearish, and that could take us all the way down to the 24 zone, and we don't want to see that. And once again, Doge is doing its thing. Once again, the Doji Wozier, and it's just following. It's trading between right now 17 cents and top side of 30 cents, and it's got to the bottom. So we really need to see that, you know, we've seen this in the past, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. And once we touch this level, we often get a breakout to the upside. We're still waiting for that. But, you know, the catalyst that's really going to make that happen is we need to see Bitcoin move. And Bitcoin is not moving right now. So if we take a look at the total market cap right now, the total market is at 2.35 trillion. And it's at 87.11 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance at 39.54. So if we look at the market cap right now, and we just look at Coin Gecko in the house, and you can see the market cap is only down 2.1% right now. So that's come up a little bit, so that's good. That's very positive news that we're coming up almost 2%. So hopefully we can take it green. We can see that right now that the amount that Bitcoin is down is less than it was a couple hours ago. And right now Bitcoin is at 49,155. And that's off 0.64%. We're seeing Ethereum is still down 3.47%. So it looks like, you know, the Bitcoin is coming up faster than Ethereum. So Ethereum needs to giddy up right now. And Ethereum is at 4,165. We're seeing BNB is down 1.29%, and that's at $586. We're seeing that Solana has come up. It was at $177 earlier. So I think a lot of people are starting to ape into that, and it's coming up. It's 180 right now, and it's down 4.37%. And ADA is at 132. It's down 3.37%. I'm a buyer at $1. And DOT as well is at 27.72, so it's $28 in the house, and that's down 3.65%. Luna is down just slightly, and it's 71.27, so it's coming back a little bit. Hopefully we can see some green in the house, but you know, Luna's only 8.9% off its all-time high, so it's not too bad in the house. Doge is only down 3.47%, it's at 17.3, and Avalanche in the house is down 1.24%. So things are coming back. We see that the total market is down around about 2%, 2 to 3% in that area. We're seeing Shiba Inu is at 36, and that's at down 3.88. So we're seeing that Matic is at $2.21, and that's down 4.56%. So Matic has passed the CRO coin, so that is interesting in the house, guys. And you know, guys, do not panic. And we're seeing that basically it's more or less, we're seeing pretty much red day all over for the cryptocurrencies, the altcoins, and Bitcoin. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end it right here. So guys and gals, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter right now. Follow. We've got 3,412 followers. Join the cool team, join the fun team, and follow me on Twitter. Get it right now. Do it. Get prepared, because we're going to have a great time. Go down there, smash the like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to go down, check out my links below. And guys, go to www.kofi.com right now, Crypto Squad, and buy the channel coffee, support the channel, show some love in the house. And don't forget to go and check out the merch. Get the love, the mug. Do it right now. And we got backpacks, we got socks, we got face coverings, we got all sorts of stuff. We even got backpacks and pillows, guys. So mouse pads, get the hat, guys. A hat makes a really good gift. Remember, Christmas is coming, so gear up with the OG gear. Gear up, get the merch, guys. And don't forget to go over to the Wifey's channel and go subscribe over there. And I think she's got some Christmas music playing over there. So do it, guys. I appreciate it. So this is Ric Flair of Crypto saying, I love you guys. Peace out. Woo! I'll see you in the next one.